I'm the workshop manager in the Sculptures Workshop, and you're in the OTC at Sydney University, and this is the Timber and Metalworking Workshop, and we're down the middle of the workshop, which is the metal manipulating area. So we have in front of me a small, it's called a box and pan folder. So this folds up material. So I have a small piece of material which has been cut on the guillotine. There's another video which talks about the guillotine. And for this one, it's quite safe. There's no electricity or hydraulics involved in it. The material just goes in and you clamp it down and then you pull on the lever and you can stop anywhere you want to. So I bent that through about 45 degrees. I can keep going up to there, and now I bent it through about 90 degrees. So that allows me to fold thin materials into an angle. And this is called a box and pan folder because not only can you do that, but you can make a little box like this. So I put this in the machine. I've pre-cut it on the bandsaw, and then I've folded it up in this machine using the jaws here, and then I've made myself a little box using this. So that's the box. The other things you can do with it, you can take the material, you can do 90, or you can go all the way through. So I'll put it back in again and I can go past the 90. Then I can turn it around and I've folded an edge onto the material. So this edge that I've just folded, I have one that I did earlier, this is called a safe edge. So it means that you won't get cut on the sharp material, and the other thing it does is stiffens up the material, so instead of it bending. And this one on here, when I bent it, I put a piece of material in there like that and then I folded onto it. And so I ended up with a small gap at the back. There's about a 3mm gap in the back there. So this is called a stiff edge. So it makes it very strong. So you can take a thin piece of metal and you can fold up with a safe edge or a stiff edge, and then you produce a more rigid box. So you've been watching Lawrence in the STA and Sculptures Workshop. Hope you've enjoyed watching.